Okay, so I'm just a normal person. When should I see a chartered accountant?
In the time frame of a person's financial life, there are several main areas where a chartered accountant would be appropriate to engage. Initially, in the young adult, where they're starting out on their salary or their career path, and this is where usually debt and taxation minimisation is a main focus. Debt because they're acquiring a house or starting on the road to acquire a house. The second stage would be the person who is generating some wealth either through their own employment or through a small business. And at that stage, their key considerations would be taxation minimisation, asset protection, and wealth creation generally. And one of the other areas where a small business in that middle age criteria would be succession planning and developing that.
And as an investor, when should I see a chartered accountant?
For an investor, you need to be aware that preparation is very, very important. Ensuring that the investment is actually owned and structured the appropriate way prior to the investment being made, due to issues of changing that after it's been done. To get the right debt structure, to get the right asset protection structure, and to understand the taxation implications of using the right structure longer term to minimise tax and also to protect their assets as an investment.
And I'm looking forward to retiring, so when should a retiree see a chartered accountant?
In preparing for your retirement, it's really important to understand that, again, structure is extremely important to minimise taxation so that you have the most return of your capital. The other aspect for retirement planning is estate planning, and usually that includes passing your assets onto the beneficiaries that you choose to pass them on to, and also to protect them as best as possible, given that your nest egg needs to be protected with all due care and diligence, given that is usually what you need to live on in retirement.
So really a chartered accountant works hand in hand with financial planning and helps me get through from when I first start work to when I actually retire.
Yes, it should be a holistic approach in that, together with the skills across the whole board, that a chartered accountant will be able to hang together all the facets of your financial life as an economic manager and assist you in making the correct decisions.